The toilet, or loo, is straightforward and simple to operate. Before use, check to see if the container is full. The level gauge of the WC cassette is located behind the toilet, just here. If the display is green, you're good to go. So first up, move the slider from left to right to open the drain. When you're done, please ensure you use a dissolvable toilet paper so it can break down in the waste system. To flush, press and hold the flush button for a few seconds. Once this is finished, the slider must be closed again completely after each use. But what if the level gauge shows red? Well, this means the WC cassette is full and must be emptied immediately. To empty the WC cassette, make sure that the toilet is not in use and that the slider is closed. Then, walk to the exterior of the vehicle and open the service flap, which is located on the outside left-hand side of the vehicle. Once open, pull off the suction unit hose and block it with the stopper. Grip the blue lock under the handle and hold it. And then, using the handle, carefully pull out the WC cassette. Once removed, stand the WC cassette upright and pull the pull rod all the way out. The cassette has a set of wheels which will allow you to roll the cassette to the disposal facility. As you would expect, only empty the cassette at authorised disposal sites. Once at the disposal facility, stand the WC cassette upright with the wheels on the ground and turn the drain outlet outwards. Unscrew the cap from the drain outlet, then press and hold the ventilation button to release any gas. Then hold the cassette by the handle and empty the contents into the appropriate disposal facility. When finished, with a tap or a hose, fill the cassette with approximately 5 litres of water. Rescrew the cap on the drain outlet. Gently shake the cassette to fully clean it, before emptying it once again. When finished, screw the cap onto the drain outlet. Before returning to your Grand California, unscrew the float clockwise and rinse under running water, before reinserting and screwing anti-clockwise. Once back at your motorhome, prior to reinserting the WC cassette, add 250 ml of waste holding tank additive to the cassette through the drain outlet, along with 3 litres of water, making sure that the bottom of the tank is covered. When you're satisfied this is complete, refit the cap to the drain outlet before putting the WC cassette back into your Grand California. Through the service flap, reinsert the WC cassette and slide it until it clicks into place. Remove the plug from the suction unit and attach the hose. Close the service flap and voila, you're done.